Hey friend, John here with Ricker Creations. How are you doing today? No, seriously, let me know down in the comments. I really want to know how you're doing. I'm doing okay. I've been absent the past few weeks. I'm sure you've noticed, and I do apologize, but I've been really swamped. Making carpenter bee traps, of all things. They must be really bad this year, so if you're not making them, check out my video on how to make them and make some to sell in your area. But if you follow along with me, you know that I've pretty much wore my sander out, the padding on it. I've even put electrical tape on it to help protect the projects when I sand it. And I've always said I'm going to get an Orbital sander. So you know what? I did. I went over to Harbor Freight and I picked up the Bauer 5-inch Orbital sander. Variable 6-speed control. Right now, it is on sale this week from $39.99 down to $19.99. I almost bought this 2 weeks ago, but I talked myself out of it. And I'm glad I did, because when I got to the register, they had a advertisement paper that said Spring Black Friday event. If you're an Inside Track Club member, you could start getting it on Monday through Thursday. And then everybody else will get the deals Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the following Monday. So if you need a new sander for $20, we're going to check this out and see how it does. All right, let's unbox it and check it out. I know everybody says, oh no, not another tool review, but this is not a paid review. I do not get anything for this. I even bought the sander myself, but you guys know every time I get a new tool, I test it out and let you know what I think about it. Just because I hope it may help somebody down the road that wants to buy the same product. I did get me a 15-pack of sanding disc also, just 80 grit to start out with. But this is not any kind of sponsorship or anything. I'm not paid to say anything good about it. I'm just doing it to let you know what I think since I got it. I may have to use the table saw to get it open. There we go. All right. I love the smell of a new sander in the morning. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Hey, it actually had a sanding pad in it. It came with an 80 grit sanding pad. That's pretty cool. Of course, it's got its instruction manual with it. I may like this better than the palm sander, because the palm sander, you actually had to use this thing to poke holes in the quarter sheet of sandpaper with it. On these, the holes are already drilled, so you don't have to fool with that. Okay, so that's the unboxing. Let's give it a test. As you can see, I've got some carpenter bee trap blanks ready to test the sanding on. I've got my PPE, I got my glasses and my mask. But we're going to work down here on the stool so you guys can get a better view. First thing you got to do is put your sanding pad on. You're supposed to line the holes up. Okay, get sanding pad on with the holes lined up and start sanding. Next thing you're going to want to do is plug up your sander. I don't know if you can see it or not, but where I started using the lumber from the sawmill, I had to mill the boards down myself, so I've left some extra on it to test the sander on. Yeah, that knocked that off of there pretty good. Pretty quick, too. So far, I'm impressed. We'll give it a couple of goes and see. There's another piece on this to sand. Knocked that down pretty good. So far I'm impressed. It's time for the ultimate test now. The ultimate test, in my opinion, is smoothing down a cedar fence picket. unsanded. Just sand knocked it down a little bit, but just a sheet of 80 grit running over that worked out really, really well. Okay, so I did off camera finish sanding down the carpenter B-trap that I was working on and the other 6. I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed. The pad did get clogged up some, but after a cedar fence picket like that and 1 or 2 of these B-trap blanks, a palm sander would have been completely clogged. It does take some getting used to after using a palm sander, but I've got to say, I'm impressed. I like it. So far, it's definitely been worth the money. So if you need a sander and this deal going on right now, it's definitely worth getting. And if I didn't say so before, today is Thursday, April the 9th. So you've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday still to run out and grab one of these for $20. It's definitely worth doing, in my opinion. If you need a sander, if your sander's wore out and you're looking for a replacement, or you don't have a power sander and need one, the Bauer 5-inch orbital sander is definitely the way to go. I hope this has been helpful to someone. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Be sure you're making plenty of sawdust, building plenty of projects, having a lot of fun doing it. You guys have a wonderful day.